So at the Texas MPN Workshop 22, I think there were a couple of nice themes and debates and topics discussed. One that was a real treat here was the special session we convened on interferons, what's old is new again. And it was a delight to have Professor Richard Silver, who traveled from New York to be here in person, and Professor Jean-Jacques Kalajian, who joined us virtually from France. They're really two of the main pioneers in this field of interferons, talking about the older formulations and now the newer one, Ropeg interferon, and where it fits for our patients with MPN. That was a delight, so I thought that was great. I think another theme also was targeted agents beyond JAK, and so we heard about those, BCL-XL, bromodomain, PI3 kinase, the list goes on. And I think so, how do we develop those agents, minimize toxicity, combine them with JAK inhibitors? And then finally, a really great theme of this meeting has been the inclusion of the so-called rare or overlap disease syndromes, MDS-MPN, such as CMML. So we had several speakers talk on that. And then the inclusion of systemic mastocytosis and other rare diseases. So a real great meeting to get a good sampling of what's going on in our field.